In this video, I will show you how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to make sure you've done first is created your Cash App account, and you want to have linked a bank account. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you want to do first is go ahead and fund your Cash App account. Now to go ahead and do that, from the home screen of the Cash App, you want to come down to the bottom left hand corner and go ahead and press onto the icon in the bottom left hand corner, which looks like a little picture of a bank. So that's going to go ahead and open up a screen like this, and what you're going to want to do from here is press onto add cash. Then all you need to do is go ahead and enter the amount you wish to add to your account and press the add button at the bottom. Now at this point, to complete the transaction, what it's going to do is ask you to confirm your name, date of birth, ID and home address. To confirm your ID, it's normally something like a SSN, social security number. However, they may ask for further ID if required. So now you've gone ahead and funded your account, what you can now do is go ahead and start buying Bitcoin. So when you go ahead and buy Bitcoin, the first time you do it, it's going to ask you to verify your account. So what you want to do from the home screen is go ahead and click onto Bitcoin. And then you should see an option which says enable withdrawals and deposits. So what you want to do is go ahead and click onto this. And at this point, some extra information is generally required when you're dealing with cryptocurrencies. So this is to ensure basically the security of your transaction. So some of these details might include things like your email address, why you're using Bitcoin, your income and your current employment status. Next, what you're going to need to do is scan a government issued ID or a license to confirm your identity. And also at this point, they're probably going to ask you to do a selfie. So what you're going to want to do is take a well-lit picture of your face and send that through. Now at this point, the verification process can take up to 48 hours and you'll see verification in progress on the app until that's been completed. Once that's done, you'll then be able to go ahead and use Bitcoin, and you would have verified it, so you can go ahead and buy Bitcoin and do withdrawals and deposits using Bitcoin on Cash App. So that's how to go ahead and verify Bitcoin on Cash App in 2023. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.